Hey friends, Mr. Rocco here for Heartfelt Impressions Learning Center, and today for our activity we are going to be making rainbow toast. And the materials you will need for this activity are a piece of bread, milk, food coloring, 6 cups. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a paintbrush, preferably a clean one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of bread, put it right in front of you. Next, you're going to count out your 6 cups again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you're going to take your milk and you're going to fill it up just a fourth full. Then we're going to make a rainbow. But what are we going to use to make that rainbow? The food coloring. So you're going to put some blue in one, some red in one, some yellow in one, and some green in one. But I feel like we're missing a few colors, friends. Which colors are we missing? We have blue, red, yellow, and green. Orange and purple. But I don't have orange and purple. So how can we make orange and purple? Do you think blue and red make purple? I think so. So a few drops of blue and a few drops of red. Next, we need to make orange. But we don't have orange. I think red and yellow make orange. So a few drops of yellow and a few drops of red. Next, you're going to take your paintbrush and mix the milk and the food coloring together. We got blue. We got red. We got yellow. We got green. Let's see if the blue and red made purple. It did, so we have purple. And let's see if the red and yellow made orange. It did. Next, you're going to just paint your piece of toast and make rainbow toast. You can paint it however you want. Mr. Rocco's just going to put a few stripes of color on mine. And there you have it, friends, rainbow toast. Now you can eat it just how it is, or if you want to put it in the toaster to get it all nice and crunchy, you can do that too. Now, friends, the core notes you're going to hit for this activity are your art, fine motor, observing and classifying, counting, and measurements. I'll see you guys for another activity.